I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both earbuds have power and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. This avoids interruptions. Once done, remove any old Jlab entries from paired devices so the earbuds can enter fresh pairing mode. Place both earbuds in your ears and open the Jlab charging case. This triggers the internal sync sequence. Make sure your phone is unlocked and on the Bluetooth settings screen so you can watch for the Jlab model to appear. You now put the earbuds into pairing mode by pressing and holding the manufacturer-specified button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This syncs left and right internally and broadcasts to nearby devices. Once the LEDs flash, commonly white or blue, your phone will list the Jlab name. Tap it to connect. If your device asks for permission, accept it so audio profiles install. After the connection, test audio briefly to confirm both sides play and are in phase. You finish by confirming stereo sound and adjusting volume. A short test track reveals any balance problems. If one ear stays silent or audio stutters, reset the earbuds. Put them in the case, hold buttons for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is not actively connected to other audio sources, and check for firmware updates in the Jlab app. Updating often fixes stability problems, so install updates before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.